This is Innovledia.
Hello and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you the updates in the animation tools in Maya 2024. So, in this version, the time slider has a very elegant look, and you will notice that the range slider now has only two input boxes, and those are for setting the start and end frames of animation. You can drag this slider to select a range of frames to display within the time slider. You can also enter the frame range directly within the range slider by double-clicking on these numbers and typing the exact frame numbers and pressing the enter button. Okay? Now, another thing is, if we open the graph editor, the linear tangent option is located here, while the auto tangent option is located here. Alright? So, these are the few changes in Maya 2024 when it comes to animation that I have covered in this course. See you in the next video.